Stop, guys. Stop. All right, here we go. Listen, now, again, I'm on the second worksheet, please. Look at the second worksheet. I did the first worksheet with the first class. Now I'm going to knock this out with you guys. And again, we easily got through the first worksheet, and they got an extra 7 or 8 minutes to knock out the homework. All right, so let's go ahead and get started. Let's see if we can do a little better. All right. Now, again, scientific notation. What I want to do is I want everybody to take a look at number 1. All right. And recognize that to write it in standard form means I'm going to write it with all the zeros. All right, so now look how simple. The exponent, all right? The exponent is the number of places that you move the decimal. All right, so in this case, I want you to say, I'm going to move the decimal 4 places to the right. All right, that's what that means. On number 3, I need to move the decimal how many places? On number 3, I need to move it 7 places. On number 5, I need to move it what? 2 places. So everybody understands that. All right. Now, the problem comes here. I need to move the decimal 4 places, but I really can only move it 1. So what do I need to add to continue? Yeah, you have to add zeros. Very good. Now, specifically, I moved it once. So how many zeros do I need to add? Yes, that's simple, simple, simple. 3 zeros. So you're going to write down a 2, a 4, and 3 zeros. So the answer really is just what? 24,000. Put your hand down because we're going to do the next one. You're smart enough, you'll pick it up. All right? Everybody happy with that, right? All right, so now let's slide over to number 2. All right, how many places do I have to move the decimal? How many places do I have to move the decimal on number 2? 3. All right, so if I move it once, how many zeros do I have to add now? 2. So the answer would be a 90 with 2 zeros, which is what? 9,000. Perfect. Perfect. Now, who's still a little sketchy? Raise your hand if you're not sure about something. All right, we're now going to find out. Allison, you're up. Number 3, how many places do I have to move the decimal? So now, here's the tricky one. How many zeros do I have to add? Very good. Very, very good. So here we go. Just a second. 4, 3, 8, 5 with 1, 2, 3, 4 zeros. All right. Now we're going to add the commas in. So it's 43,850,000. Jack, what? Well, because I'm supposed to move it how many times, Jack? 7. Do you agree? Mm-hmm. And how many places after the decimal are there already? So I need to add. Oh. That's how easy. I was looking at number 5. All right, Carly, you're up, girl. Mm-hmm. How many zeros do I need to add? 2. Okay, I moved it over. Shh, I'm on number 4. Oh. So, thank you. Wow, that was very good. I'm very impressed back there. 1, 0, 3 with 6 zeros. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 zeros. So we have 103 million. Now, listen to me. Again, remember what I try to tell everybody. You've got to understand if you know what you're doing right now. That's what you're trying to do. Do I get it? Not get it. All right. Here we go. Number 5. All right, William. Okay. What do I do? How many places?
You don't use the well, I mean, you use the decimal to the end, so it's just 305.
Yes, it is 305.
You can't do that.
Do you have to add any zeros? No, we don't have to add any zeros. Very good. Thank you. All right, number 6. Emily. You're awesome, girl. 5, 1, 1, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 zeros. Can anybody tell me what that number is? Hunter. You're awesome. All right, you're awesome. All right, here we go. Caroline. You, Caroline.
Okay. So you wouldn't have to add any zeros.
Oh, I don't know. 1, 2, 3, 4. You're exactly right. So the answer is 6,000,032. Beautiful. Easy as that. Hunter, you're up. Number 8. It would just be 10. Move the decimal one place. So that's 10. Beautiful. Ben.
You need to add 3 zeros.
You're awesome.
And that would be 875,000.
Wow. Very good. 875,000. All right, Caroline, I'm going to put you on the spot. You got the hard one. Now, listen, I'm asking you to make some, what do you think I should do here on this one? It's obviously different. What do you think I should do for number 10? Now, we're talking about moving the decimal, right? So, what do you think I'm going to do? No, that's not a bad thought, though, honestly. That's a really good thought. All right. Catherine, what do you think?
Would you move it the opposite way?
Yay,
So
very good,
so would it
very
be
good.
0.0849?
So she said 0.0849. So when the decimal is negative, you move it which direction? Left. When it's positive, you move it to the right. And I always used to remember negative means small. So you're making a decimal. Positive means big. So it's making the number bigger. Is everybody okay with that? All right. So again, it's just the direction that you're moving the decimal. All right. So now, Miss Bain, go ahead. Tell me the answer to 11. Come on, and remember, try to stay with me now. And again, answer the question on your iPad to see if you're getting them correct. So what will we say, Miss Bain? How many zeros? How many put? Tell me sorry. Just tell me. Yes, right? 5 zeros. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 7, 1. You happy with that? All right. Alex, you're up number 12, buddy. What are you thinking?
Point 001.
I'm happy with you, buddy. 0.001. You good? No, you could put 0 in the front, but it's not necessary. All right? Mr. Slack, go. For number 13.
Number 13, 0, 0.
No, I don't like that. Just tell me how many zeros.
Oh, 6 zeros.
6 zeros. Right? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and then 4, 3, 9. Perfect. 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 All right, Mr. Lowry, what about you, buddy?
Number 14.
Yep.
Okay, so would it be 3 zeros before the 1?
Yes, sir. Thank you very much. Happy?
Yes.
All right. Now, express each number in scientific notation. Now we're going the other direction. Miles, I want to see if you can do this without any explanation, just with kind of looking at what we've been doing. So 40,000 could be written as what?
40,000 could be written as 4 times 10
Good job, buddy.
and
10 to the
4th.
Exactly. Now, do I have to put 4.0? No, you don't. So 4, like he said, is perfect. All right? I'm just putting the 4.0 because I'm going to tell you that's sometimes what they write down. Everybody good with that?
Yes.
All right, I'm feeling very happy. All right? Let's go. Hanson, tell me about 16.
So, isn't that 16 or 1.6 times 10 to the first.
You're awesome. 1.6 times 10 to the first. Very good. All right, next.
Number
17. Tell me about 17.
8.
You're right.
7 6 times 10 to the 6.
10 to the what?
10 to the 6.
I don't think so. Look up. Here's your mistake. Let him think. The decimal goes here, right?
8.
Yeah, there you go. That's easy. 8.76 times 10 to the 8. All right, Jack. 18.
I got 4.5 times 10 to the
10 to the what?
second.
10 to the what? Remember, I don't make mistakes.
Third.
Yeah, there you go. 4.5 times.
Why is it?
Okay. Let him. That's okay. I know you're helping. Decimal's there, right? How many places to get to the end?
Yeah. All right.
3. All right, Jack, you got 19.
0.51 times 10 to the first.
10 to the what?
Second.
Yes. I heard somebody whispering back there. 1.51 times 10 to the second. Why is it to the second?
Oh.
Don't say because Jack said. Where is the decimal? Right here. Look, guys.
Because you moved, because the decimal's 2 over space.
Wow, that was very well said. Very well said. All right, Carly, let's see if you can get 2 right today. We're going for a record. Here we go, girl.
Yeah, that's pretty hard.
Come on. Carly, don't act like that. Where's the decimal go? Shh. Yes. You're awesome, girl. I told you. So now, 3.7. Now how many places do you move it? Shh, shh, shh. Come on, girl. Yeah, why don't you look at your own iPad? Let me check you. 1, 2, 3, 4 times 10 to the what? 10, shh. Times 10 to the, times 10 to the, remember, it's a small number. It's a small number. So your only mistake is,
What?
Oh, never mind. She didn't
What
even
is
hear
it?
it.
Okay, good. So what is it?
10 to the first the other way?
Good. 10 to the negative 4.
Wait.
10 to the negative 4.
She said 10 to the first.
10 to the, she did not. She said 10 to the negative 4.
No, she said 10 to the first the
No,
other
she
way.
did not. All right. So again, listen. All right. It's a matter of, is it a big number or a small number? All of the decimals require that you use a negative. The larger numbers require the positive exponent. All right, Emily, help me out. 21. Say it again. Say it again. 8 point. Yes, you hear me now, right? So the decimal always goes after the first digit. You hear me on this? So it would be 8.3. 8.3 times 10 to the what? Yes, ma'am. Good job. 8.3 times 10 to the 7th. All right, Caroline.
What?
Caroline D.
Oh, me.
Oh, me.
Sure.
Go.
Not me.
Go.
Which question are we on? 22?
It's okay.
9.191
Times
times 10 to the
10 to the what?
second.
10 to the what?
Boy.
Shh. Now remember, the decimal's here. I see your mistake. How many places did you move it? To the end. It went from here all the way to here.
Oh, I'm counting.
Yes, I know that. How many? 5. Very good.
And they're like, yes, and like,
There's some clues there, girl. 23, Will.
Okay.
All right, okay, here we go.
So 5
Good.
point
Yes, I can go with 5.0.
times 10 to the 13.
3, 6.
I mean the 12.
I know what you meant. Thank you.
I
12.
counted the 5.
I'm happy with you. 5.0 times 10 to the 12th. Hunter, 24. Don't miss this now. Make me look bad. Shh.
that'll be 1.3
1.3 times 10 to the what? Wow, confidence is good. 1.3 times 10 to the negative first. Do we have a problem here? Uh-oh, we have a problem. Go. I move from here to here. That is one spot. All right. Because it's a decimal. Because it's a decimal. You hear me now? 0.13. If you look at the pattern, all of the numbers that have decimals were negative. All right? You're welcome. All right? 25. Caroline, go.
Okay, it's 7 times 10 to the negative 6.
Anybody agree?
That's what I got.
Wait a minute.
I got.
I wish I could say that's the 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I wish I could say that's the right answer.
I disagree. It's negative 8.
What?
What do you mean?
What?
Allison, tell everybody.
6.
Negative 7. Thank you.
See, I knew that. I just
Negative 7. Now listen.
You have to account for the.
Yes. Again, that's why sometimes it's important to put the decimal where it belongs and then show where it is and then count that. That's what we're doing. All right? Is everybody okay with that?
Yes.
All right, here we go. Let's take a look at 26. Catherine, go.
So that would be 6.7.
Good. 6.7 times 10
To the negative third.
to the negative third. Beautiful.
Are we doing word problems?
Is everybody okay with that?
Yeah.
All right, so here we go. Now, we're going to go from least to greatest. Now, again, they're trying to mess with you on here. The power of the exponent, listen, hey, we're almost done. The power of the exponent is what is important. The power of the exponent is what is important. So all you're doing is, it doesn't matter what the number is. The only thing that matters is the exponent. So which one has the smallest exponent? We are on Miles. Which one is the smallest number?
The smallest number on number 27
Brilliant.
would be the last one, 9.3 times 10 to the negative second.
Ooh, look carefully, Miles. You're always right, so look again. Shh, shh. He's got this. He just made a mistake.
We're trying to find the smallest number.
Right? No, not the exponent-wise.
Then it's the negative 6.
Yes, negative 6. Smallest. So put a 1. Then what, Miles?
Then it is negative 2.
That's right.
And then 3 and then 4.
There you go, guys. So again, those are really easy. What's important is the exponent. The bigger the exponent, the larger the number. The smaller the number, the smaller the exponent. Everybody happy with that?
Yes.
All right. No matter how big the number is. That's exactly right. The exponent is what's important. Kate. All right, now you have a little problem here because we have to put it in scientific notation. So the first one, Kate, I need you to do that for me. I think I skipped you, didn't I? All right, thank you. 28, Kate, what is that? 4.8, very good. Yes, ma'am, good job, girl. 4.8 times 10 to the negative 4. And now I have to go to the other one, which is over here. The last one, what would that be? Shh. Yep. To the negative how many? You see it's negative 2. All right. Please now listen. If you made a mistake, listen. It doesn't do any good just to change the answer. That's what I'm trying to teach you guys this year. Just changing the answer doesn't help. Right? It's not making a difference in how smart you are. What makes a difference in how smart you are is to say, hey, why did I make a mistake? And fix the mistake so it doesn't happen again. William, what's the problem?
I just forgot. So we knew when we're doing like that one, like the opening before, we knew it
After the 4.
Yeah. Oh, to the.
After the 4.
Okay.
You move it after the first non-zero digits. It's after the 4. We don't put it after the 0. It's after the 4. It's after the number. All right? Now, we're looking here. Now, we have a little situation here because, Kate, you see this negative 4 and this negative 4. So now you look at the number. All right? What number is smaller, 4.8 or 4.37? Yes. So this one is actually right here, the smallest. And then what? Yes. Here we go. This would be number 2. And then what? Well, you're looking comparing negative 3 and negative 2. You with me? Yeah, so this would be 3 and this would be 4. All right?
This is dry. I don't have questions from the.
Nobody does, do you?
I do.
All right, I don't know what happened. All right, here we go. Now, Niagara Falls. Write the number in scientific notation. Go.
8.4 times 10 to the 11.
Anybody have any questions with that? Miles, go ahead. Knock it out.
Okay,
30, what would that be?
that's 1.7 times 10 to 7.
So it would be,
10 to the 7.
you're
10
wrong.
to the negative 7.
Yeah, 10 to the negative 7. That's the only mistake kids usually make on the test. All right, that's the only mistake kids usually make on the test. Yes, sir.
No one is the test.
Thursday. All right, Thursday. All
All
right, here we go. So with that, all right, guys, finish the first page now. Get busy on it. We still got some time. We still got time.